In this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at how we can delete a player from a class that we have currently booked into our schedule. So this functionality is best done from the web-based platform, as it gives you slightly more flexibility around moving players from class to class, deleting a player from a class, and also a bit more flexibility around updating the payment status of a class attendee. But from within the iOS app, you can delete a player from a class, and the simplest way to do that to begin with would be to navigate to the schedule view and navigate to calendar and find the class where the student is currently appearing. And in this example, we're going to go to Wednesday the 8th July. We've got a class running here on 6 p.m. on Wednesday the 8th. And from here we can click on the class and we can navigate to go to lesson, and the bottom option here we can choose class attendees. So here we've got two students that are added to the class. And we can see here we've got a red X icon next to those students, and we can use the icon to delete this player from the class. Now, depending on how the classes have been set up by your Academy manager, this may delete the student from a single class, or it may delete the student from a class, the classes in a block that they've registered for. So let's go ahead and delete Cameron Burris from this class. We're going to go ahead and click the X, and we'll have an alert that appears just confirming that we want to go ahead and delete the class attendee, and we can go ahead and click yes. And after a moment, we can see now that student has been removed from the class. So if we go back into the class and view our class attendees, we can now only see one student is available. The other option is from the home page. You can also navigate to upcoming lessons, and we'll see a list view then of the lessons that are happening in the future. We can navigate down that list view here. We've only got 5 lessons currently in the future in our schedule. And we can select the class by choosing the relevant class from the list. It will show us the date of the class and when that's appearing. So we're going to click on that option, and we can click go to lesson. We can see the class information here at the top detailing the time, the date, and we can then go to class attendees at the bottom, and once again we could remove the player from this class by clicking on the red X icon.